Hey, good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Remember, it's an asynchronous day, so you do not need to be in the Google Meets. I'm going to show you really quickly how to do stuff in Desmos because yesterday it didn't show you in the video, so I want to make sure that you know how to do that before you take the assess for today. So when you click on Desmos, the calculator pops up. You can type any equation in here that you want, just like that, okay? And then if you hit the settings, pay attention, if you hit settings and you open up the table, it will open up the table for that equation. So let's say you're looking for other numbers. You can just type enter and it'll give you the other ones, or you can actually type in the number that you want and it'll give it to you. Okay, let's say you're looking for -6. It will give it to you. All right, let's say your equation's an f of x equations. F of x equals -3x plus 9, right? It doesn't matter. You still hit the settings button and open up the table for it. Okay, so it gives you the table and it also gives you the equation. You can zoom in and zoom out as much as you want. Okay, so make sure that you're using Desmos today because you're going to be practicing with quizzes. Let's go look. If you hit Tuesday, you're going to have a discussion, you're going to have a practice quizzes, and then you're going to have an assess. So remember, this is the grade for today. I really want you to practice first, but make sure that you are using Desmos. You can also type in, let's say you want some points. You can type points. So 3, 4, and then parentheses 4, -2. Okay, so if I take these off, where's my other point? Here's my other point. So here's my 2 points, and they want a line that goes through those 2 points. So when you type the equations, y equals -2x, let's say, plus 8. Does that go through the 2 points? No. So that's not the equation. And then you just keep typing equations until you find one that goes through both of those points. That's the easiest way to do stuff like this. So try your hardest. Remember, we have to do the discussion. I'm taking attendance today based on whether you did your work or not. So discussion, quizzes, and the assess. Good luck.